healthcare is a great example where we have seen various elderly people when they are hospitalized, and then they are actually lag for their relatives to come in and visit them. So, and then we have applications developed in the European market where Pepper can actually go walk around and then crack a joke to the elderly patient who has been hospitalized for a number of days, and even tell a story. So that becomes a very enjoyable memory. So essentially that becomes smiles to the people. So if anything, we're promoting happiness.